Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the ding closely. Determine if the foam is exposed or it's a simple surface crack. Once you know the depth, remove wax and sand around the ding. Feather the paint about 1/2 inch to sound material. Make sure the area is bone dry. Use a hair dryer if needed. Mix a small batch of resin with hardener now, following the ratio on the product, and prepare a fiberglass patch cut slightly larger than the hole so you're ready for the next step. You'll place the fiberglass patch centered over the ding, overlapping the repaired area by about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, then saturate it with the mixed resin. Use a brush to push resin through the cloth, eliminating trapped air. A toothpick or pin helps pop persistent bubbles. Once the first layer is tacky, add a second thin layer rather than one thick pour. This reduces shrinkage and stress. Make sure to follow cure times and keep the board in a stable. You finish by sanding the repaired area smooth. Start with 120 grit, move to 220, then 400 to blend with the board. Once flat, apply a thin finishing resin or polish to restore gloss and a UV protective layer if needed. If you see hairline cracks later, don't ignore them. Reopen the repair, inspect the foam for delamination, then repeat the patching with additional layers and proper cure time. This fixes recurring stress points and prevents water intrusion, so you can get back in the water confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.